Wait, you said you can see?
Yeah.
CD's NOT Sinder 6 tap.
I will
Well, you
see
know what time it is.
myself out.
Cinder is gonna become
No, Cinder cannot come to the stream right now.
I got her lol.
No! No! Ain't no way, man. Get out of here! Ugh. The whole gay shark fin. Oh! Da-dun. Da-dun. Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Jump scare! That movie's rated PG, by the way. These tits ain't. Sorry, we need a more explicit rating on this movie, I think. No sound alert. No. No. Oh, we're gonna need a bigger bra. No alerts. Don't even think about it. We have enough.
Later.
Raise your hand. Like I was saying, raise your hand if you did not watch the last Dino Cop stream or VOD, and you will need a brief recap on the event. Jump scare! That movie's rated PG, by the way. These tits ain't. I should probably think before I speak. Think that's crazy. Novel, we were talking about Jaws. Because I was doing a little dun 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 jump scare. Whoa! Jump scare! That movie's rated PG, by the way. These tits ain't. I'm so fucking stupid, man.